Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK 2, Unit 8. 让我想想再告诉你。让我想想再告诉你。Let me think about it, and I will tell you later. So match the pictures with the words. The first one, 黑 black means black, so choose C. Number 2, 天气 so means weather, choose D, right? 运动 to do exercise or do sports, so choose A, right? So what are they doing here in A, picture A? They are running, right? So how to say running or run? 跑步, right? 跑步. Okay, next one. Number 4. 服务员. So 3 words. Please follow me. 服务员. So when you in the restaurant and you ask waiters to do something, and you should ask and you should call them 服务员. Okay, 服务员. Okay, next. 等 that means to wait, so choose B. Okay, the last one, 白 white. 白 means white, so it's a kind of color, so choose E, right? So the answers are C, D, A, F, B, E. C, D, A, F, B, E. Okay, the next one, so try to say the antonyms of the following words, the opposite words, in fact, right? So 大 the opposite word 小, right? 小. So here I write down them, and if you don't know the pinyin, please write down or take a note, okay? So the first one, 大, and the next one, 小, so third tone. Next, 多, here 多, that means more or many. 少, that means less. 少 or little. 少. Also the third tone. Next, 快 okay, here is I wrote down this word is not correct. That means fast. And 慢 is the opposite word, slow. 快 fast and slow, that means 慢. 冷 cold, 热 warm or hot. 上 up, 下 down, 下. 黑 black, opposite word 白 okay, so let's read again. Please remember and take note the basic words and the opposite words, please. So 大 小 多 少 快 慢 冷 热 上 下 黑 白 Okay, so text 1 in the classroom. 我们下午去看电影好吗? So let's go to see a movie this afternoon. 好吗? Shall we? So we'll learn this grammar later. And let me explain text 1 first. Okay, so 今天下午我没有时间，明天下午再去吧。I'm not free this afternoon. Let's go tomorrow. So 没有时间 negative, right? Don't have time. Negative form. 明天下午再去吧。再 here means that tomorrow, let's go tomorrow again, or let's go to see the movie tomorrow. So 再 means that because the first time you don't have time, and here she or he give you a conclusion, and 再去吧. So again, once more. 你想看什么电影? Which movie would you like to see? Which movie would you like to see? 让我想想再告诉你. Here 想想 means think about, right? So reduplicate 想 and 想. So reduplication words 想想. Let me think about it, and I will tell you later. So also this important grammar I will explain you later. And here the interrogative sentence 好吗 So 好吗 we also use it in the end of the sentence, and this sentence we call the interrogative sentence. So it's used to ask about other person's idea or opinion. For example, 我们一起去吃饭好吗 That means shall we, or what about your idea 好吗 So let's go to eat 好吗 shall we? And next one, 你明天下午给我打电话好吗 So please call me tomorrow afternoon. And here 在 So 在 here that means it indicates the repetition or continuation of an action or a state. So it can also indicate that action will happen under a certain circumstance. For example, 你再看看这本书吧 So that means again, right? I'll continue to read this one. 你明天再给我打电话吧 Please call me again tomorrow. Okay, so next one, number 2, text 2. 外边天气很好，我们出去运动运动吧。Here also reduplicate word, and this word is not single word, but it's phrase, right? 运动运动 we can use this one. That means we go outside to do some exercise. So it's nice day outside. Let's go out to do some exercise. 你等等我好吗 So please wait for me for a minute. 等等 Also this one. 王老师让我给大卫打个电话 So Professor Wang asked me to give David a call. 让我 So here also important grammar. And after this text, let's learn it. 王老师让我给大卫打电话 So here, 王老师 asked, right? Asks or asked me to call David. So here you should know that 我 here as an object in the first sentence, right? But 让, so ask me. So here this second sentence that me or I as a subject because I call David, right? So remember this one. This is called pivotal sentence. We'll learn later. 回来再打吧。找大卫有什么事情啊？找大卫有什么事情吗 Call him after we come back. What's the matter? 等 right? 等 that means to wait. And here, 听说大卫病了 So I heard David is sick. 我想找时间去看看他。我想 I want to visit him sometime. 想找时间去看看他。So 事情 here that means thing, matter, affair. Here 找 that's to look for. So I want to 找 look for time, 时间 time to visit him. And here translation like this, I want to visit him sometime. That's okay. Okay, so pivotal sentences, the predicate of a pivotal sentence is made up of 2 verbal phrases. Okay, here look at the table, the first verbal, and here predicate. So 2 here, 2 verbal phrases. And the object of the first verbal being the subject of the second. Object here, so the first one, let's read. 我请你吃饭 I invite you to eat dinner. 请 here means to invite. Here this one. And here the first verbal is often a causative verb, such as 请 to invite, to light, 叫 here 让 and 叫 to ask. For example, so 你让我想想 sorry. Please let me think about it. So you ask me to think about it. 我叫人去看看 I ask somebody to look to visit. So reduplication of verbals. Here this reduplication, a reduplicative form of a verb that indicates a short time, a small quantity. That means a small and short small quantity, a short time, or a slight degree, or an attempt. So conveying relaxed and causal mood, right? Relaxed. So we always use this reduplication word in oral Chinese. 想想,看看,尝尝, like this. So it's often used in spoken Chinese. Reduplicative forms of this one. So verb aa, singular syllable. So 说 here 说 means speak. aa 说说 or we can also say 说一说. So add e in the middle of two words. 听听 here 听 means listen. 听听 listen for a short time or listen a while. 听一会儿。听一听 看 means look or see. 看看看一看。Okay, here this double syllables verb reduplicate like this one ab. So 学习 means study. 学习 to study. ab this form 学习。准备 ab form, right? 准备 means prepare. 准备。运动 to do sports or to do exercise. 运动。That's very important. But you should remember that this form indicates a short time, a small quantity, or slight degree, or attempt. Okay. So often used in spoken Chinese. So if you use this one and reduplicate verbs that you can maybe your Chinese is very like native speaker. But in Chinese we can say that 地道, right? Your Chinese is really good, pretty good. Okay, the last one. So text 3 and at the front desk of a hotel. Okay. A 服务员,我房间的门打不开了。服务员. So here, when you speak this one, I think the pinyin is not very easy, but when you speak it fluently or quick, like we call 服务员, but faster 服务员. So you need to practice more. I can't open my door. 您住哪个房间? Which room do you stay in? 您住哪个房间? Stay 住 or live. 317. So we call the number in telephone number or hotel number, and we say 1. So 1. So transfer to 1. Okay. 好的，我叫人去看看。Okay, I will send someone to have a check. Okay, this is all for today, and we learned some important grammar, pivotal sentences, and the reduplication of verbs, and also integrative sentence. Please do review, okay? It's very important for you. And some update words. Okay, this is all for today, and if you like, please give me a like. See you next time. Bye bye.